I must say I find this interesting. So what we're looking at here is a cheap, made for Big W, China, probably no more than $80 for this oven. And yet, built in here is a cutaway panel. You'll find them on all microwaves. So if the service guy needs to put a new turntable in, this is what he does. Cuts all of those. Swap that out. And then you'll notice that this thing's got tabs on it that were there. And watch how they align to here. And here. And then one screw. They've even set up the screw hole. So why would you know, I like the idea of fixing things and not having them end up in the rubbish, but why, in a throwaway society, do they still build this in? It kind of doesn't make sense. Thanks for watching.